Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel Physics by Pradeep Kumar. Today in this video we will continue your next topic, last topic, which is nothing but the derivation of the Ohm's law on the basis of free electron theory. And in this topic we have found out the relation V divided by I equals to ml upon an E square A tau, which is nothing but it's a constant which is denoted by capital R. If we do not change the physical conditions of the given material or conducting wire. So see here very carefully, R depends on length, R depends on cross sectional area of the wire. Okay, these two are the macroscopic properties of the wire, but N and tau, these are the microscopic properties of the wire or intrinsic property of the wire. So now we will define another physical quantity which depends only on the intrinsic property of the conducting wire, not on the macroscopic properties of the wire. So this physical quantity is nothing but resistivity or specific resistance. Specific resistance resistivity or specific resistance. Suppose let us consider a wire, a conducting wire of length small l and cross sectional area capital A. Then the resistance of the wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Okay, and R is also directly proportional to the, inversely proportional to the cross sectional area of the wire. Suppose this is a wire, metallic wire, whose cross sectional area is A and length is L. देखिए कैसे समझ सकते हैं इस चीज़ को इनडायरेक्टली, जितनी ज़्यादा वायर की लेंथ होगी उतने ही ज़्यादा किसी फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन के यहाँ से यहाँ तक मूव करने में कोलिजन्स ज़्यादा होंगे, और जितने ज़्यादा कोलिजन होंगे आपके इलेक्ट्रॉन को उतना ही ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस फेस करना होगा. तो इसलिए डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनलिटी आए, इनडायरेक्टली हमने वेरीफाई किया. और दूसरी चीज़ देखिए, क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया, जितना ज़्यादा क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया होगा उतने ही लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इस फेज से बाहर निकलेंगे, और जितने ज़्यादा लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाहर निकलेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो करेगा. दैट मीन्स जितना ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो करेगा उतना ही कम वायर का क्या होगा, रेजिस्टेंस होगा. implies that R equals is directly proportional to L by A. For proportionality, we will take a proportionality constant rho L by A. Okay, or rho equals to R A by L. It's a very important expression or relation to calculate the resistance of a metallic wire by the help of this formula, because we will see after some time rho is a constant for a given metallic material. Okay, so now where rho is a proportionality constant which is known as specific resistance or resistivity. अभी एक वर्ड और यूज करना है यहाँ पर, आप थोड़ा सा इसे, रेसिस्टिविटी ऑफ द वायर। क्लियर है ना? चलिए, सिंस वी नो दैट R इक्वल्स टू ml by n e square a tau, that is what will be this value? Rho equals to R is nothing but ml divided by n e square a tau and multiply by a by l. A से ऐसे कैंसिल आउट, L से L कैंसिल आउट, दैट इज m by n e square tau. Here we can say that clearly m is nothing but mass of an electron, n is nothing but number of free electrons per unit volume. E is nothing but electric charge on electron. Tau is nothing but relaxation time. So check out these parameters. All these parameters, all the this is also a fixed constant and this is also a fixed constant, but n and tau depends on the property of the material. The number of free electrons fixed for a particular type of material, and tau is constant for a given temperature. So we can say that at a constant temperature for a given material n will be same. So that means for each type of a wire of same material rho will be same. तो चाहे उस वायर की लेंथ या क्रॉस सेक्शनल आपका कुछ भी हो, बट ये मटेरियल सेम होने पर उसका रो क्या होगा? सेम होगा. तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पर लिखते हैं स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस और रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द मटेरियल और सब्सटेंस ऑफ द वायर. ओके, सो rho is a constant at a temperature for a given material. Okay, but it will be different for different types of the materials. Okay, remember this point. So it's a very interesting topic. Now we will calculate the unit and dimensional formula of the rho, and then we will define the definition of rho on the basis of this formula very easily. So see on the board carefully. Now after that, unit and dimensional formula. Of rho. So see here now, rho is nothing but R A by L. Okay, now since R equals to V by I, therefore unit of R will be volt per ampere, but volt is nothing but W by Q, that is joule per coulomb. Coulomb is nothing but ampere second, that is ampere square second. Okay, now joule is nothing but Newton meter per ampere square second. Okay, so unit of rho is nothing but Newton meter per ampere square second and multiply by meter square per meter. Okay, so meter se meter cancel out, and this will becomes Newton meter square per ampere square second. So dimensional formula of rho will be nothing but, what is the dimension formula of Newton? This will be mLT to the power minus 2, and meter square means L to the power 3 divided by A to T. Simplify this m L to the power 3 and T to the power minus 3 and A to the power minus 2. Remember this also. This is the dimensional formula of the resistivity or specific resistance. Now we will find out the definition of the specific resistance by the help of this formula. So now if set these values, now we will take a such wire which have cross sectional area is 1 and length is also 1 meter. Then if cross sectional area of the wire is 1 meter square and length of the wire is 1 meter, then rho will be equals to capital R. Okay, so we can define the specific resistance in terms of the resistance that is the the specific resistance of a of the substance of a wire numerically is equal to that resistance is equal to the resistance of that wire whose length and cross sectional area is unit. R unit. और ऐसे कर सकते हैं R 1 मीटर एंड 1 मीटर स्क्वायर रेस्पेक्टिवली. ओके, तो ये उस वायर के रेजिस्टेंस के इक्वल होगा न्यूमेरिकली जिस वायर की लेंथ 1 मीटर और क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया 1 मीटर स्क्वायर होगा. तो ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन थी रिगार्डिंग आपके स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस या रेसिस्टिविटी से रिलेटेड, कि इस पर काफ़ी न्यूमेरिकल्स एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं. तो इस फॉर्मूले को आप न्यूमेरिकली आप रिमाइंड कर लीजिए जिससे कि आप इससे रिलेटेड सभी न्यूमेरिकल्स को कर सके. आर्टिकल टाइप एग्ज़ाम में कभी पूछा नहीं गया, बट ये प्रॉब्लम जो पूछता है एग्ज़ाम में इससे रिलेटेड, तो ये न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम पूछता है. तो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है आपका अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूमेरिकल्स. Remember this point. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.